Now let's get into some more unique operators for some better math. The modulus operator is not one that you've probably studied in school unless you've studied coding again. Modulus is a fairly common operator in computer programming languages. And the modulus operator in regular math terms will return the remainder after you do the division. So basically what it's saying is x is equal to the remainder of 10 divided by 3. So what's x equal to here? 1. This is useful for a lot of reasons, but the most common use of modulus is to easily determine whether a number goes evenly into another number, whether it's a factor of another number, because in that case, if something is a factor of something else, then the modulus will be 0. Floor division is sort of like modulus's weird cousin, okay? Instead of returning the remainder, what it returns is the answer without the remainder. So it would say the floor division result of 10 floor divided by 3 is what? Without the remainder. If you just drop the remainder and forget about it, what's left? How many times does 3 go into 10? 3. So x would be equal to 3. Okay. The increment operator is an easy way to add a number to a variable. So basically it says take whatever's in this bucket and add 3 to it. So if I have 10 in this bucket and I say x plus equals 3, what's in the bucket now? 13, right? Okay. So if I run this in a loop where it's doing this over and over and over, it's basically counting by 3s. But it's the same as you can say, this is shorthand. Longhand, it looks like this, x equals x plus 3. Both will work, but you'll get used to typing the short one. Just like the increment operator, there are also equivalent operators for subtraction, division, multiplication, exponents, and floor division. You can't do this with a modulus because a modulus just returns the remainder. So it wouldn't make sense to do that.